speak to a little bit here on the clean data, right? Like how much that clean data impacts the organization from a holistic data set, like complete data, not some of this stuff that we've seen in the past. We've been with customers, and a lot of them just have an idea of what their total spend is or what a total aggregate metric is. It's really, really hard for them to take that elevator down and get into the weeds or keep going down to really get to the facts to make data-driven decisions.
Yeah, and I think it's a lot of folks that I hear about, right, as they start to grow their business is like the landed cost for their goods. And understanding that at a granular level is really important. It's kind of the level up from a company perspective. And then getting to the point where you can almost pull the Amazon switch and say, I'm going to bake my shipping cost into my goods. So from an e-com, from a sales position, I've already said, you know what? Hey, we offer free shipping. We got Prime, right? Whatever it may be. We have free shipping. We can offer that to the customer. I can do that because I've baked those costs in because I understand them so much. And I know what my margins are from all the way from procurement to shipping to invoice. I can bake that all in with 100% security, and I can offer that to my customers. And that's a huge piece to grow a business. And I think that's a big thing that excites our customer base, is to get to that point to say, when you have this holistic data and you can look at these clean data sets, you can start to offer free shipping, right? And everyone knows that it's not free shipping, right? You're paying for it in some way, shape, or form, but it's so clean for the customer. It's clean for the company. It makes everyone's lives so much easier. And it's really where the market's going. It's where the delivery market's going, the e-commerce market's going. And that's where every company's trying to get to. But again, it starts with clean data, having that analysis and having that security that you can put that number out there and make sure that you're not impacting your margins.
Yep. And let's synthesize that a little bit, because I do see shippers doing that on some level. But what you typically see them doing is taking an aggregate cost of their goods for shipping everywhere in the United States, and they'll take like a simple cost per 100, right? Cost per X pounds to ship. And then let's say you have a DC only in Arizona, right here where I'm at, right? The cost of that, you can't bake it in that way, because shipping my hammer to Texas versus to Massachusetts where you're at is going to be a huge difference in cost. And I might be able to save money in Texas, but I lost money in Mass. So to your point, having really clean, granular data, you can start getting that free or all-in freight down to certain zones, right? Geographical zones. So you're always recouping the exact amount of cost. And I think about one of our customers, Jared at Manatee Pressure Washers, was able to do this. He had a new pressure washer that was hitting the market, and the competition has something like that, but he was able to leverage our data and do that. Free shipping if you order this thing. So he was able to actually set his price for the market, right, at the same cost as the competitors, but bury his freight cost in because he understood it to a T. And then he was able to strategically attack specific markets as he rolled this product out and expand from just Florida all the way into the entire Southeast.